Welcome everyone to Bitcoin price prediction. As usual, we're gonna start our week with the daily here, the daily analysis for the channeling for Bitcoin, where we are going to watch here our price position based on this correction. We are looking at this base channel pushing toward the downside here. The current price position is exactly in the middle line of this upper part for the base channel. Are we going to repeat the same history that we got in this area where we break it a little bit here and then pushing down and reject it? Is it going to happen the same? We got to be careful. It can be a possible scenario that we might still push towards the downside back again here to finish this impulse. Don't forget that you are in a large impulse: 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, a 4 and a 5. That means in case this wave 4 is not finished, okay, it can be even a larger correction here. Test the upper line for this base channel still as a correction, because this is going to be a 1 to 1 fib level as a zigzag, and then pushing towards the downside in a larger wave 5, where you have finished a wave A, looking for a wave B later on, and a wave C, of course, in a W, X, and a Y to finish exactly our trend here, which is your large W, X, and a Y, which we are looking for it here. In case that also we are looking for a wave B, it can be an A, B, and a C. This is very bullish, of course. We need to break the base channel first, guys. We cannot claim something like that directly, of course, without breaking the base channel decisively, of course. Not just moving like this and then pushing down. I want to push higher, testing it as a support, and then pushing down. This is what is a decisive move. What is lacking for here is this, of course, push towards the upside here again, but we break it again. So we gotta be careful here. So of course, we still have a lot of levels to surpass here regarding our price position and the base channel that we are looking at here, because it still can unfold even if we see higher prices as a zigzag. It still can unfold a wave 5, so we're still very far from confirmation of something very bullish, guys. My very bullish scenario would be, of course, the wave B here, in case like 3 ways down, and then you're open here for a 3 ways up, and then another 3 ways down in case we don't finish this impulse properly, because we still need one more leg, meaning WX and a Y, turning it into a wave B, expanding flat, and then pushing for a wave C. This is my bullish scenario here, where you will start to see KG very, very bullish here and posting like uh, bullish thumbnails. I would say. So of course, I don't like to use this as a bait, guys. So this is what is difference with us in this channel. We follow the rules and the guideline, and we are looking for it step by step, and not like just by seeing just some green candles here starting to be very bullish, because things are still very risky to call something very okay. There are two probabilities. You can still be in an ending diagonal as well, 1 2 3 4 5. You can be in a zigzag ABC for a wave 4 and then wave 5. So two probabilities are still playing there as bearish. And before leaving the base channel, even before leaving the base channel, um, it's impossible that you hear me saying, okay, we are in a bull run or in a bull rally. Okay, now on the micro level, of course, it can be something bullish, I know, but we're not always here updating the micro level. We're most likely here in the daily, especially focusing on the main trend, on the main scenario, which is of course the daily. Now in the intraday, of course, you might see on the 1 hour and 15-minute chart some bullish scenarios, some small bull rallies, but of course, this is nothing, of course, regarding this, this this time frame. So yeah, this is what we are looking for. Of course, this correction is still unfolding and very likely to be in a WX and a Y, and this can be, of course, a deep correction as well, in case that you are looking for something like this. Okay, this is your deep correction. You might finish a wave A there, and then you might have a wave B later on, and 5 waves down to finish a large ABC or a large WXNY, for example. So this is a deep correction, guys. This is the deepest correction that you might get, and the longest time for this bear market, where you might hit the second part of the timing here after, of course, the perfection, 0.618, where we are calling July here, mid of July 2027. This is your perfect timing to finish a wave 2, and you start with the slow part here where, okay, the wave 2 became really very boring and very deep here. So this is your deep correction if in case you are looking for one. That is nothing impulsive. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. I'm not looking for that, guys. Not yet. On the 1 hour chart for Bitcoin here, we are looking at double 1 2 3 4 and a 5 to unfold towards the downside. The probabilities, as we mentioned also in the daily channeling here, that we might still be here in 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Your wave 5 might be horrible, right? In an ending diagonal where you might drop directly towards the downside. You might be also in a wave 4 as an expanding flat A, B, and a C to hit, of course, our blue zone. Still in a wave 4 because you're under the invalidation even at this possible scenario there. Why? Because we are currently in a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. This wave 4, yeah, can be definitely even longer in time. It's fine. But this total invalidation, I would say I'm not going to call it total because you still have a new scenario that was an old one. So I'm going to say here invalidation of bearish, but we're talking about this micro impulse there, okay, or micro level, because even if you are in a zigzag here, you still can have a wave 2 for diagonal, just like that, guys, okay? We still can be bearish even without taking this high. But with taking this high, that means, okay, you invalidate one of the bearish scenario, which is, of course, the diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning you're pushing for higher, which is this next level ABC expanding flat testing area 1.618. And if we fail it and we push very massively down, again, don't forget this is a large wave 4 and a 5 to unfold. Great. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.